Oh, this is probably going to be my favorite recipe of the day. Probably. I am making Caprese French Bread Pizzas. It's going to have all the deliciousness of Caprese salad, but baked in the oven. And oh, I'm excited. I'm really excited because I'm going to make fresh pesto. So I've got some fresh basil leaves in the food processor, and I added about 1/2 cup of Parmesan, some garlic. So nice to have all of this prepped and ready to go. It's like magic. Lemon zest and salt and pepper. And then I toasted some pine nuts in a dry skillet on the stovetop. So look. So the pine nuts go in, and then I'm gonna put the lid on.
No olive oil?
Well, I'm gonna drizzle the olive oil.
Is that pesto?
While it's on low. Slowly add it in. Oh, I love pesto. Pesto.
I could eat it with a spoon.
It's an absolute dream. I love it. Okay, so this is more than enough pesto. And for the pizzas, I'm using just kind of a Italian loaf. I'm calling it French bread pizza, but you know what I mean. And I cut it in half. So each half is 1 pizza, just for 2. I'm a little heavy-handed with pesto, I'm sorry. Actually, I'm not sorry.
Don't apologize ever.
No, why is it so good? It's just the best flavor in the world. And then you can put the excess in a jar and keep it in the fridge for a few days. Although it hardly ever lasts that long when I have fresh pesto in the fridge. Okay, actually, I wasn't lying when I said I'm heavy-handed. Woo! And then spread it out. Okay, so I'm using fresh mozzarella and I'm just kind of covering it up. Fresh mozzarella is a little bit watery, but I'm not scared. Yum. Okay, so before I add anything else, I'm gonna bake it as it is now. It needs more cheese, don't you think, Mauricio?
Yes.
So come to the oven. I've got the oven at 425 degrees. I'm gonna bake these cute little pizzas for about 12 minutes. And then I'm gonna top them. Okay, I did what I sometimes do, and I got impatient and turned on the broiler, and things got a little dicey. It was almost burned, but look how delicious.
Wow.
And you can let it go even more in the oven till it gets really brown and bubbly. But I did not want to push my luck. I do that a lot. So, aren't these pretty already, just as they are?
Beautiful.
I actually want to finish them off with some beautiful cherry tomatoes. And I love the combination of yellow and red. It just, to me, it just looks a little bit more like heirloomy and gardeny and
artistic.
Yeah. And then beautiful basil leaves. I'm gonna tear them in big chunks. Ah, oh, there's nothing better. Okay, so then the balsamic glaze.
Ooh, balsamic glaze is the best thing
Honestly,
ever.
the best product known to man right here. I used to make my own before it was like readily available in supermarkets. And boy, did that stink up the house. Ooh. There's nothing better. And what a gorgeous little dinner for 2. You can add a side salad, definitely add a glass of wine. I know this is like just for 2, but I think I could totally tackle both of these myself.